Do judges know what they're doing? This is a question that I ask myself at least a couple of times a week. I would say that most of the judges, most of the time, know what they're doing. But there are definitely times when it's pretty apparent the judge doesn't know what he's doing or she doesn't know what she's doing. Apparent to the lawyers. I don't think it's as apparent to lay people because judges tend to be very good at having sort of a stolid disposition and appearing to be in command of what's going on. But if you're a lawyer and you know how the law works, sometimes you're left scratching your head why the judge has made the decision that he did. And probably the most likely reason is because he doesn't know what he's doing in that particular instance. Now, in the judge's defense, I will say I don't think anybody knows what they're doing at all times in the courtroom. That goes for the lawyers, it goes for the clerks, it goes for the probation officers. Everybody's a little confused from time to time in the courtroom. And the judge's job is demanding. But at the same time, the judge has more power than anybody in the courtroom, and in most cases is paid more than anybody in the courtroom. So there should be less patience for judicial incompetence. Also, in defense of the judges, I will say, while some are in the same courtroom most days, others rotate around a lot. They essentially don't have a home courtroom. So they go from court to court to court, and every court works a little differently, and the judge is not always up to speed with how things work in a particular court and what the expectations are of the lawyers and the prosecutors and so forth. Right? So I think most of the time they do know, but there are times, and they're not infrequent, when it appears the judge doesn't know what he or she is doing, and sometimes the results are pretty damaging. So I've written a blog post on this, and I will put it in the description below.